Hey guys, my name is Umar and in this video we will be creating SaaS based resume builder which you can download from our website as well, and we will be doing vibe coding in lovable.dev. So we will be pasting our prompt here: build a responsive resume builder web app that creates ATS optimized resumes with live preview and multiple export options. Moreover, we can add that we need I need 3 templates for start. Okay, so let's submit that and let's see what happens. So spinning up preview, and here we are seeing that Lovable is thinking. Okay, so the response is here. I will create a professional resume builder with live preview and 3 ATS optimized templates. This will have a split. Okay, I will create a professional resume builder, this and that. I will create this. Okay, features for V1, design system. Then we have design inspiration. I don't know, this is a very long paragraph. I think it is repeating. Features for V1, then design inspiration, design system. I think it is repeating here. It crashed. This is the second time I'm having very bad experience with Lovable. Last time when I was recording my tutorial and it was for gym management system, unfortunately they were deducting a lot of tokens without my responses, and now it crashed, as you have seen that. And this time I'll upload this tutorial at any cost, even if it doesn't work, because the last time it was like pathetic response. They were deducting my tokens but was not giving any solid response in back, and I lost all my tokens. Yesterday I purchased 100 tokens, and here as you can see I have 105 tokens just for this tutorial. Let's see how it goes. So it is getting stuck as well. It's still giving the response, but it is stuck. Like I cannot scroll. I'm trying to scroll, but it is not letting me scroll, not even with this scroll bar. And the scroll wheel is also not. Okay, it's working now. Now I will update the main index to use resume builder. If I want to see this file, I cannot see because it is again stuck now. Let's see if this scroll bar works. Yeah, it is getting stuck. As you can see, this scroll bar is jumping. This is the reason I always say that AI cannot match with human developers. Like the response is bad. Okay, so what's next? Refine and customize, tweak the design, animations and layout via prompts or visual edits. I cannot see anything, so how can I tweak the design? Need to save information, add user accounts or connect with other services. Okay, now I am seeing this here. It is asking me to connect to Supabase. Let's connect to Supabase. Okay, let me create new application. Okay, so we are creating project. Generate password. Let's keep it Ohio as usual, and after create new project, it will be creating or setting up our project. Let's see if it is showing here or not. Okay, it's still not built, so let's wait for it. Let's try to connect project again. Now we are seeing the resume builder and it's connecting. I think we will be seeing some notification here in the bottom right corner as it's loading. Okay, now the Supabase is connected. Let's close this. Your app is now connected to Supabase. You can now work with a fully featured backend and add powerful features. I know that. So just keep building. For any questions, just ask. You have to build it for me, obviously. If you plan to have users log in, we highly recommend setting up authentication first. I need authentication when someone creates their account, they should be equal to create their resumes and can export it as well. Should be competing with any big resume builder. Okay, I have submitted this new prompt. Let's see what happens. So modern, okay, choose template, modern, classical, minimum, JSON. Okay, it is letting me export as well. I don't know what will happen here. Yeah, obviously I approve your actions. And then we have share option as well. Okay, I think it's reloaded. Let's see what it is doing. I will add authentication and resume storage to make the competitive with major resume builders. Okay, before implementation, do you want to store additional user profile data like username, display name, or avatars? Also, I will need to create a database tables to store users. You can do that. It's pretty simple. Let's see. Okay, so here we have a personal information that we can fill, then work experience, education, and then skills. Okay, good. Security issues are mostly resolved. Thank God. The remaining OTP expiry warning. Good, security issues are mostly resolved. It's repeating again. The remaining OTP expiry warnings is a configuration setting. Something wrong is with. So Lovable, I don't know. Okay, it's editing this app context file and the live preview is loading. I don't know why it's not loading. It's editing this file now. Okay, let me go back to the preview section. Let me see what it is doing here. Obviously we have to wait for Lovable. Let's wait. Okay, let me see my tokens as well. 101.1 left and nothing has been done yet. So the 5 tokens they actually give you on daily basis, which reset on daily basis as well, they're nothing to create your full-fledged application. So you have to go with the pro plan, and even this is my upgraded pro plan in a single month, because last time they deducted all my tokens without any completed or near to completion project. Like, it was totally, I should not say it, but it was totally shit. Okay, so now they have replaced the project with this professional resume builder, and there is a button get started. Now I have to sign up, I think so. Yes, let me sign up. Umar, Hameed, let me use Umar123 at melinator.com and password 123456778. Oh, I don't know what to say there. Okay, so close. Let's go to melinator.com. Let's try it. Okay, sign failed because we have to approve this Supabase authentication. Confirm your email. I have confirmed my email. Now if you try here, okay, now we are signing. Thank God. Create your first resume. Okay, let me create my first resume. Here, let me fill this detail. Okay, so fake filler is not filling that for me, so I have to fill it here. I will say 9231212345678. Okay, then location is Manama location. Website is uptechsoul.net. Let's leave this LinkedIn for now. I am a developer, YouTuber, educator as well. Add work experience. Okay. Web developer. It was Codaffic Solutions. It was in Islamabad, Pakistan, and start date was, I don't remember exactly. Let's select something from, it was 2017 actually, and end date was, let's select 20 something like this. I was managing all their projects. Okay, so let me fill all the details. Okay, so I have filled my details here now, and as I can see, it is live preview is here. I have saved it. I don't want to refresh that because I don't want to fill this all details again. Let me go through other templates and then we can see if it is like restoring everything after refreshing or not. So when we go to classic, okay, this is a classic. I don't know how to see. Okay, and then we have a minimal. Okay, good. Like in half an hour the results are good actually. I have already saved that. Let me share this. Shareable link copied to clipboard. Let me open it here. Oh, it's loading, but nothing is opening. Okay, it's opened now. What if we open it in incognito mode, because there my account is already logged in? Then it is throwing me to this page. Okay, so here is the problem. So I want that I can export my resume to PDF. I also want, okay, let's leave it for now. Okay, so it's saying I will add PDF export functionality using what? Using, okay, it is again, I will add PDF export functionality. Again, the repetition problem is coming in Lovable, and I'm seeing this for the very first time. So I will add export functionality using, again, then it is repeating this whole thing. I hope that 98 tokens are left. Okay, this tragedy happens in past, so that's why I'm seeing this tokens menu again and again. I don't want to lose more and more tokens. If their response is not good, they deduct your tokens, but they don't give you exact response. Okay, thought for 9 seconds. It was not actually 9 seconds, more than that. Then added PDF export functionality. Okay, you have added that. Let me see. Oh, thank God, I didn't lose my details. So now we can export it to PDF as well. Let me see if it is working or not. So here we have it. ये बाकी चीजें यार hide कर देना जो भी है. And we are seeing plain white page, nothing in that. Maybe we see something in classic. Let me download it. Again, plain page. Okay, so white page is exporting to PDF and nothing is there. Okay, so it is thought for 8 seconds, thought for 3 seconds, and this and that, and it's repeating the process. And again, it's saying thought for 8 seconds, whereas I don't know what's happening. Fix the PDF template by removing custom font, loading and fixing border style syntax. Okay, let me download it again. Let me see if it is working or not. Oh, nice. But the design is not looking good actually. As you can see, the phone number is there. Let me export the modern one. Oh, designs are not matching with preview templates. Again, thinking, I don't know. I will fix the PDF template issues. Okay, I will fix the PDF template. I will fix the PDF template issue. I will fix the PDF template issue. There is something wrong with Lovable today again. This is, I don't want to say anything. I will literally email this tutorial link to Lovable team so they can see the issues that we face actually. Okay, fix the PDF template. Okay, right. Let me see the exported one now. Not. So the exported PDF designs are not matching with preview designs. So the issue is that the designs are not matching this design when we export it as PDF. We can add profile here and then we can have a simple website for this tool as well. So let me tell you, as we are waiting for the response of Lovable and it's taking long. So while we are waiting for response from Lovable, let me tell you what I do actually. I'm a tech founder of uptechsoul.net and we provide different services like MVP development for startups, SaaS developers. Other than this, we also provide offshore developers. So you can find this Lovable product if it works here under all products. We already have page for that and soon we will be uploading some products here as well. So if it works, we will upload this product as archived product on our website, which you can download for free. And then you can run your SaaS company with this project. Okay, perfect. I have created template specific PDF styles that match your preview designs. Okay, let me see now. I hope it will work now. What it is saying, it is like correct. We have to create different PDF styles or we have to create different PDF templates for this type of work. As I said, it worked, but not exactly like that. It is still not matching the designs in preview, but better than before. Okay guys, so as you are seeing that we can create something with Lovable and how we can create. The purpose of this tutorial was that how you can play with Lovable to create your real product. Obviously, it is not that much advanced that you can expect from a senior developer, but it is something that you can do at your home if you don't want to pay any developer. If you need my help in any of your tech project, you can just go to uptechsoul.net as I told you and you can book free consultation and I'll be happy to help you in your tech project. Thank you so much.